Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gear. Today, we're diving into the world of historical weaponry with the cold steel medieval buckler polymer shield. If you're into historical European martial arts or simply appreciate the craftsmanship of medieval arms, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned to find out why this shield stands out as one of the best in its class. The cold steel medieval buckler shield isn't just any shield. It's crafted from durable polypropylene, making it lightweight yet incredibly robust. Designed to resemble traditional bucklers used in the Middle Ages, it boasts a diameter of 12 inches, with a substantial 1/2 inch thickness. This shield is built tough to withstand rigorous training and reenactments, making it a favorite among practitioners and historians alike. Known for its durability and impact resistance, polypropylene ensures this shield can endure intense sparring sessions without compromising on performance. With a design inspired by medieval bucklers, it features a prominent boss to protect the hand and a sturdy handle for a secure grip. At just over 2 pounds, it strikes a perfect balance between maneuverability and defense, ideal for both beginners and seasoned fighters. Whether you're practicing historical techniques or engaging in reenactments, this shield's authenticity and reliability make it a top choice in the HEMA community. Now, let's see the cold steel medieval buckler shield in action. I'll demonstrate its handling and effectiveness in various scenarios, from blocking strikes to maintaining defensive positions. Notice how the shield's ergonomic design and weight distribution enhance maneuverability without sacrificing protection. When comparing it to other shields in its class, such as those made from different materials or with different designs, the cold steel buckler stands out for its affordability, reliability, and historical accuracy. While some may opt for steel replicas, the polypropylene construction of this shield offers distinct advantages in terms of weight and maintenance. Wrapping up our review, the cold steel medieval buckler polymer shield proves itself as a reliable companion for anyone serious about HEMA or historical combat practice. Its blend of affordability, durability, and historical authenticity makes it a standout choice in the market today. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Have you tried the cold steel buckler shield or any similar products? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep critiquing, and I'll see you soon.